To clean a Kalado Pet Feeder, unplug it, tilt back the base unit so you can slide off the food tray and the bowl. Remove the lid by pressing in on the latch. To remove the food container, you're going to turn it counterclockwise and lift it off. To remove the funnel, spin it counterclockwise. You can clean all the parts except the base and the silica packet. To put it back together after you've cleaned it and allowed it to dry thoroughly, put on your funnel, turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Turn the food container clockwise to lock it in place. Put on your lid, tilt the base back so you can slide on the food tray and put in your bowl.